Today we are going to learn the names of vegetable: cabbage, onion, potato, carrot, tomato, ladyfinger, cauliflower, capsicum, brinjal, lettuce, garlic, ridgegourd, ginger, bitter gourd, pumpkin, cucumber, bottle gourd, sponge gourd, broccoli, beetroot, radish, coriander, green beans, mint, corn, spinach, lemon, green chili, peas, turnip, sweet potato. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.